This is Mohammed Said, and I want to introduce my recent project. It's AI podcast generator. So the idea of this project, I'm trying to generate an audio, the thumbnail image, and the script for the audio. So I got this an idea from a YouTube channel. It's AI generated because I was trying to develop myself in listening and speaking. So the image, the audio, and everything on this video, it's AI generated. So let's play the video.
A podcast where we practice real English.
So at the beginning, I was asking myself, how can I do a project this one? And finally, I've created this project, and here it is, a demo video. It's for 2 minutes. It's showing you how you can make a video like this one on the YouTube. Just, that's the final product. You can just put your logo or whatever, change the image, and I'm using CapCut. And here, the concept is really easy. Create your podcast. You just need to be pro. And I'm using a testing mode. I'm using Polar. If you purchased and if you do anything in our project, it will reflect here. So let's create my first podcast, and I reduced the models, the audio duration, and the image quality because it cost me like around 20 cents and even more if you give the description a really good command and a good command for generating the image. So let's get like go quite let's get this one.
Englishly podcast.
From Speak English with Class.
Turn doubt to confidence. Okay. Description. AI voice. I got like 7-8 sounds.
Hello, I'm Marin.
Hello, I'm Alloy.
And you have to choose like to upload the image or generate image. And generate image, I will pause it because it cost me money. And even generating the audio, it cost me money, but generating images is really more expensive than the audio. But the quality of the image, it will be low. It won't be good. And the tools that I used on this project, like TypeScript, Sentry, if you got any bugs or anything, so we can just send me an email, like report a bug. Next.js, Neon for the database, PostgreSQL, OpenAI, Polar, Prisma, tRPC, UploadThing, Versal AI SDK, Better Auth, and CodeRabbit for reviewing the pull request. And I got like only one pull request on this project. Here it is, the comments. There is no comments from CodeRabbit. And I'm also making like a webhook. I'm controlling the purchase and if the user make a refund in our project or website. So let's generate the podcast. Let's show you the files that we have. November. That is the image that we have on the website. The quality of the image is really bad, but you can increase it. You can send me or whatever, and I can send you the source code.
Welcome to this quick episode on turning doubt into confidence. Everyone faces moments of self-doubt, but the key is to acknowledge it, not let it control you. Start by identifying your strengths. Write them down and revisit them when you feel low. Next, shift your mindset. Replace negative thoughts with positive
So that's it, the story of my project. There's the home page. A demo video shows you how you can create a video just like the one on YouTube. Uh, I'm showing you the last or the latest 4 podcasts that generated, the plans that we have, all the podcast, search bar, imagination, and there's a long duration audio, but I reduce it, as I said, because it cost me money. And let's see my account. How many? I created 2 podcasts. Let's go back home. Let's open the portal to refund or to close our subscription. So the patch that I have, it will be removed. Here it is. I can generate any image. So I handle it on generate an image. And that's the story of my project, or the idea, key concept. And thank you so much for your time. And you can give your feedback about my project. You can give me your feedback about my English, my accent. Am I doing well or no? Thank you.